Welcome back. We're 2 weeks away from Halloween, and I'm sure many of you are stocking up on your Halloween candy. But the sweet treats shouldn't stop on October 21st, or 31st rather. The perfect candy should be enjoyed on every holiday, especially during the fall and winter. Laura explains why.
If I were to make it a truly great day, St. Louis, where would I go? I guess the two sweetest places in town, which would be Chocolate, Chocolate, Chocolate and Bissinger's. Luckily for us, they're both now in the same place.
For Bissinger's, I'm the Chief Chocolate Officer, which is a made-up title, in the company Vice President of Operations.
Dan Abel Jr. and his sister Christina Abel are both now able to say that they have the sweetest jobs in St. Louis. The 2019 Chocolate 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 merger with St. Louis-based Bissinger's has been one of the smoothest combinations since milk chocolate and caramel.
It's been outstanding because, both brands at a core value believe in premium ingredients and handcrafted confections. We've always known of Bissinger's, and it's one of those brands that you've just always respected. You compete against, but it's just a friendly competition because it's when you're faced against a brand that's doing something, they're ethically right, they use premium ingredients, and it looks great and it tastes great. Well, there's really nothing that you can be mad about.
And there's nothing to be mad about when it comes to the candy. In fact, you should be happy there are so many options.
Our fall collection 16-piece is brand new for this year. So it has this gorgeous graphic on the front and the most amazing fall pieces. So we have our pumpkin pie truffle, pumpkin pie caramel, and then some of our favorites, sea salt caramel, peanut butter, chocolate caramel. So it's such a great fall collection, and it has been a great gift for people this season.
Once Thanksgiving gets here, you'll be thankful chocolate is on the table.
So this is how my family and I set our Thanksgiving table. The center is this beautiful 3-pound Bissinger's turkey. It is semi-solid, and the topic of conversation is always, how are we going to break it apart, eat it, and share it? It's a beautiful centerpiece. It's so much fun. The kids love it, adults love it.
Then, when the conversation turns to the countdown to Christmas, be sure to turn on the Hallmark channel and turn to your new Bissinger's Advent calendar.
We've partnered with them to come up with this countdown to Christmas calendar. If you look closely, these are images from all of your favorite Hallmark Channel Christmas movies. So every day you get to eat a piece of chocolate. What could be better than that? Every day you get to eat a piece of chocolate while counting down to Christmas.
That's what I call happy holidays.
Lot of num-nums, very many num-nums. Sounds pretty sweet to us. Chocolate, 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 and of course Bissinger's are both located at 5025 Pattison Avenue, that's in St. Louis. To contact Chocolate, 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 head to chocolatechocolate.com. There's just 2 chocolates in the name, chocolatechocolate.com. Or you can call them at 314-338-3501. 314-338-3501. You can get that special Hallmark Channel countdown to Christmas calendar at the Bissinger's factory at the same address on Pattison, or at the Frontenac store, bissingers.com.